The number of mothers who commit abortions and infanticide is increasing. Men can be the cause of it, but babies don't leave their mothers. The baby cells begin to grow early in the womb, and within weeks, the cells containing DNA enter the mother's bloodstream. Even if they die, those children will be with their mothers all this time, healing their wounds and protecting them from cancer and other diseases. Thus, these mothers are fortunate enough to experience unconditional love in the world. Male babies are also given male DNA in their mother's brains in the womb so that they can remember them for the rest of their lives. The determination to save the child by giving one's life is the qualification that nature has determined for a woman for pregnancy. Then the sperm donor also has a duty to risk his life to save the child and the mother.